Miranda, Demosthenes Jimenez, Nelson Mello. In charge of food, Julius Vestil. In charge of logistics, Maria Lester Marti Ibanez. Makeup artist, Ramil Solis, Reno De Perini, Jay Pailanga, Cindy Suazo, Eris Marabe, Gilbert Barrios, Val Mendoza, Junary Canabaño. Props designer, Julie Zanoria, Rolando Dumo, Erwin De Guzman. Costume designers, Elmer De Venancio, Ay Partible. Graphics designer, Tom Evangelista. Stage managers, Vic Ayal, Bernard Rica Blanca. Production managers, Edil Brando Velasquez, Chet Evo, Glenn Naharo, Richard Liamoso. Dance masters, Nicole Chirong and Martin Salve. Segment choreographers, Chloe Yap, Super Pagaytay, and Ramon Quijota Jr. Assistant choreographer, Janice Agmo. The Cebu Institute of Technology University Dance Troupe. Choreographer, Loni M. Agosto. Dance Master, Michael Austria. The Cebu Normal